I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Dodge Avenger. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shocks while you work. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin, and gather all your tools like wrenches, sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Having everything ready saves time and ensures a smoother process. Next, you'll need to access the alternator. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the belt from the pulleys. After that, disconnect the electrical connections from the back of the alternator, including the main power wire and any smaller connectors. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts. On some models, you may need to temporarily unbolt and move the AC compressor to gain full access, but without disconnecting its lines. Now it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully maneuver the new unit into its position and secure all the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all the electrical wires, ensuring they are firmly attached and the protective covers are in place. Lastly, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, using the tensioner to apply the correct amount of tension. Double-check that the belt is seated properly on all grooves. With the new alternator installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and confirm the charging system is working correctly, checking for any warning lights on your dashboard. Listen for any unusual noises and ensure all accessories function as they should. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. We appreciate you watching and hope this guide was useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.